Hi, this is Mitch Milat with Riviera Financial Mortgage in Beverly Hills. Another day in the mortgage business. I want to let you know that I really appreciate you letting me assist you in getting the best mortgage financing for your home purchase or refinance. Also want to let you know that I keep an eye on the market and developments, and I'm always trying to keep you in front position so that you're ready to take advantage of any opportunity or have the best solutions to any problems that might arise. So with that in mind, I put this little informational message together. Please just take a moment to watch it. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions that I can help you with. Thank you so much.
Do you have that perfect beach property or mountain home in mind for a great second home, but you're not sure how you can buy it? Using the equity from your existing home may be a great option for you to realize your dreams of that perfect weekend and holiday getaway. In this video, we're going to share how to use cash out to buy a second home. Many homeowners cash out home equity to make a down payment on their second home. The benefit of using a cash out refinance to buy a second home is that you can finance all or part of it at the ultra low rates that come with primary home financing. It's important to know the details of the transaction and important timing for this strategy to work. The first and most important detail is that you need to qualify for a cash out refinance on your existing home, and you need plenty of home equity. With a cash out refinance, you can take out up to 80% of the equity in your existing home and use the funds to purchase a new house. You might also be able to refinance into a lower interest rate at the same time. But there are a few basic things you should know. Your eligibility to take out a new loan depends on the amount of your home equity and your credit score. Lenders generally will allow cash out refinancing equal to 80% of your equity. They will see a property value of $300,000 and subtract 20%, which is $60,000. That will leave around $240,000. This money will be used to first repay the existing loan of $100,000. The balance of $140,000 represents the cash available to you, the borrower. Let's look at the cash out refinance rules. Taking a cash out refinance to buy a second home is one of the best ways to put your equity to use, and it's a common investment strategy used by some real estate investors. While lenders establish their own rules when it comes to eligibility for a refinance loan, there are some general cash out rules that borrowers can expect to see, which includes home equity of 20% or more, credit score of 620 or higher, debt to income ratio of 50% or less, loan to value ratio of 80% or less, verification of income and employment, and new appraisal that verifies the value of the real estate. So, how soon can you get a cash out refinance loan? Many homeowners wonder how long they have to hold their current mortgage before they're eligible for a cash out refinance. If you have a conventional, FHA, or VA mortgage, most lenders require a 6-month waiting period after closing on the first mortgage before taking out a cash out refinance. Typically, you can use real estate equity to immediately buy a second home, but you will want to check with your lender to verify any seasoning requirements to use your cash out money for a down payment. So if you think now is the time to get that perfect weekend getaway, give your lender a call. They may be able to help you realize your destination dreams.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.